Hi, welcome to Archiversity online classes. While doing a research as a part of writing a paper, a research paper for a journal or for a conference, or doing a research for your summer internship, or doing research for any other purpose, gathering a data plays an important role. And you have to keep in mind that the data that you source need to be from a reliable sources. There are many reliable sources from where you can collect financial time series data. Very important are stock markets. In Indian context, you can source stock price data and stock market data from Bombay Stock Exchange as well as the National Stock Exchange. At a global level, you can source data from Yahoo Finance or MSN. This lecture is intended to show you how to gather stock price data from Bombay Stock Exchange. I'll explain you a step-by-step process on how to download stock price data from Bombay Stock Exchange. The official website for Bombay Stock Exchange is www.bseindia.com. That is Bombay Stock Exchange India.com. So enter the address of the Bombay Stock Exchange India in address bar and press enter key. Here is the official website of Bombay Stock Exchange of India. To source your stock prices from Bombay Stock Exchange of India, click on the markets. Now once you click the markets, a new page will open with the different options like markets, equity, derivatives. So as you want equity stock prices, click on equity. Then a new page opens. Here on the right side bottom corner, you will find historical data. So click on historical data. Then another new page opens. So here historical information of various forms of data sources are available. But as you required historical stock prices, so here you can find historical stock prices. So click on the historical stock prices. A new page will open. A form is visible here where you need to enter the security name. So while entering a security name, type each character at a time. Let us say I am sourcing a data for Cipla Pharma. So C I P. Just I typed 3 characters. The database retrieved Cipla Limited. So select the Cipla Limited by clicking on this. Then you have options of choosing a daily data, monthly data or yearly data. Let us say we want a daily data. So click on this daily data box and select the time period. Let us say from Jan 2019. And here you can see that 2010. There is a more data is available like a 2000 or since 1993 you have a data, or before that also you have a data. But let us say we have a Jan 1st 2019. So I selected Jan month 2019 and now select the date. So 1st Jan 2019, from that to 2020 August 31st. Alright, once you select the data, click on a submit button. Now here you can see that company Cipla Limited and period 1st Jan 2019 to 31st August 2020 data is available. Now onto the right side corner you will find a download button here. So click this download button to download the stock prices of Cipla stock. Now this prompts you to save the data. Where is that you want to save your data? Let us say I am saving this on my desktop, and observe that this is a comma separated values file, properly known as a CSV file. So in a Bombay Stock Exchange, when you download the data, you get it in a CSV file format. Now save this and observe at the bottom, your data is downloaded. Click on this. So the data in a CSV file format is visible. Now here you can see some hashes here and turnover in a E plus numbers. So to sort this, just simply click on the corner button between row number and column name, and then click on any of the column dividing bar. So here we have a bar. Now just double click on this. Now automatically this will get expanded. Now the data is ready for your analysis. This is how you need to download stock prices data from Bombay Stock Exchange website. Thank you.